Took me a flight to the beach, made them suit on what I mean. I do whatever I please, I do whatever I think of. I got a Rex on me, he too attached to me. Might put him on, it's easy, you know I gotta do it.
Hey diamonds, it's Jamequa Stevens and welcome to my channel where I show you the ins and outs of what it means to be an entrepreneur. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can publish your own book for free and you can literally start today. Before I get into this video, make sure you're subscribed and hit that bell to get notified every time I upload. Let's get started. So I just started recording my screen so you all can follow along. This is going to be real simple. So I like my books to be like magazine size. The dimensions for that will be 8.625 inches by 11.25 inches. Click on create a design. Then you're gonna go down to custom. Make sure this is turned to inches and you're gonna put that in 8.625. and then the height is 11.25, and then you're gonna create new design. So this is going to be the inside pages of your book. So you can add page. When I was doing my paperback book, it said I had to have a minimum of 72 pages. You can even use some of these templates from Canva to design whatever. Maybe you want to do a weekly planner. Just change a few things in here and then you have your weekly planner. I just create whatever I'm going to create, make sure it's 72 pages, and then that'll be the inside of my book. We need to create a cover, so that's what we're going to use Book Owl for. So we're going to go to Book Owl, and it even says KDP cover template generator. Very, very simple. So right here, you're gonna put paperback. The width, you're going to put those numbers, 8.625, and then for this, I like, you can round up. You can do 9 by 11. 9 by 11. Paper type, you can put, and then the count, 72 pages. You don't have to, that's optional. The ISBN, and the ISBN will be created with KDP. And then you just you send it to yourself. It'll be in your email and you download it to your computer. Upload it to Canva. 8.5 by 11 book that has 97 pages, or how many ever pages you have, it will tell you the dimensions of your cover, and it is 17.468 by 11.250 inches. So this number right here is what you're going to put into Canva to create your cover. So I'm gonna go to Canva, I'm gonna show you what to do. Go to create custom size, and then 17.468. Height, it says 11.250. And then you're going to create new design. Those numbers. And I'm going to upload my template. So now this is your cover. You have, you have your inside pages right here, and then you have your cover. So what you're going to do here, you want to make sure all of your information is inside the red lines and you don't cover up this barcode. Get it in and out when you're designing. So you can have it like this, and then you can start adding your background to it. So when I put this template on top, it'll show me my guidelines. And then, like I said, you fade it in and out. And I made sure that my cover didn't cover up anything important. Everything is in the guidelines, as you can see. Once you finish your cover, you want to share it. Make sure you click off of that and select the page that you're working on. So I want to save 2 as my cover, page 2, and then we're going to save it as a PDF print. So once we do that, we just hit download and it'll save as a PDF print to our computer. Cover your inside pages as well. So you're going to go to share, select all of them, and then download that to your computer as a PDF. So once we have our cover in the inside of our book pages, we're going to go to Amazon KDP, Kindle Direct Publishing, and then we're going to log in. And I'm going to show you the settings that I put for my book so you can follow along. And I'm just going to scroll down so you can see, and you can pause the video and see the type of stuff I put in my blanks. So the language is English. I did the book title. I made the book title the title and subtitle. I didn't want to put a subtitle, so you can see that. It's not a series, but if your book is a series, no edition number. And for author, I just put my first and last name. Contributors, I didn't put anything there. And then I wrote like a quick description. And you can always go back and edit your description. So, and then I click I own the copyright and necessary publishing rights. And then you want to put in some keywords that you think people will be searching on Amazon. This is my budget tracker, so I've used some of those keywords. And this is a low content book. A low content book is like books that don't have like words in them. Like the person buying the book will have to put the information in the book. So that's like journals, trackers, planners. Those are low content books. So I selected that, and it says, does this book contain language, situations, or images inappropriate for 18 years of age? No, it's a budget tracker. Published without a ISBN because I didn't create one, but Amazon KDP will create one for me. Publishing date, simple. Now you want to do, for my budget planner, I have colored paper, colored pages, so I put standard color interior with white paper. Now when I did my coloring book, I did black and white with white paper. And then you're gonna go in with the trim size. Remember, it was 8.5 by 11. You're gonna bleed the PDF, and then your cover, you can choose if you want it matte or glossy. Now here is where you upload your PDFs. So the manuscript is your actual pages of your book. So you're gonna upload, let it load up, And then you're gonna go to your book cover. As you can see, my book cover is showing right there. So you're gonna upload your book cover to that section. And then launch previewer. This is gonna show you if any of your images are outside of the barriers, the red barriers, and I'm gonna show you mine. And as you can see, there's nothing going past the red lines. And then they put in the ISBN number for you right here. Let me go in. And as you can see, this is my tracker. Now, pictures can go past the line, but if you have words, you see all of my words are inside of the guidelines. All of my words are inside the guidelines. Also, if you're interested in purchasing one of my budget trackers, my diamond budget tracker, or my coloring book, it'll be linked in the description box below. Here, the quality check, it'll show you if there's something that you need to fix, and you'll be able to click on it and it'll take you to that page. But if your quality check is good, you won't see anything. It'll look just like this. So you go ahead and put approve, but mine is already approved, so I'm just gonna exit. And then it'll show you the summary, which is how much everything costs to print your book. So to print my book, it'll be $3.48, and that's what Amazon will charge me every time someone orders my book. I selected all territories. Amazon.com is my primary marketplace. And then Amazon does everything else for you. It'll show you like how much you're charging for your book, the royalties that you will receive, and where you want it like to expand your distribution. You can also request printed proofs just to see if it came out the way you want it to come out. And then you publish your paperback book. It takes anywhere from 24 to 72 hours for them to approve your book. Once your book is approved, it'll say right here, live. It's how you can publish your own book for free using Canva, Bookout, and Amazon KDP. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comment box below. I'm also thinking about creating like a service where I help you and walk you all through step by step how to publish your book on Amazon KDP. So yeah, I hope you all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you loves later.